Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to make a switch view with some label, with text inside Jetpack Compose, and to make it exactly like you can use it in XML. So this is some preview composable, this is just for preview, and here I declared location state variable, which by remember mutable state of false. It is false by default, and here I use our custom view switch with label. I set some title, some label, allow location position, which is this. I passed state, location state, which is false by default, and on state change lambda. Here I just update our location state variable with boolean that you get in this lambda. So as you can see here in preview, this works perfectly. You can also click here. It doesn't matter where you click it, this is the whole view, like one whole switch. And right now I will show you the implementation of this method. So this is a composable function. You can name it whatever you want it. It needs to get some label, state, and what to do on state change lambda, which returns our boolean of what is the current switch position. So the first thing you need to do is declare interaction source, and remember that so that it can be remembered across multiple recompositions. And here initialize mutable interaction source. And basically this whole view is a row. So it is a row that we need to set it modifier to fill max width. The most important part is this one. So on click on this whole row, we need to pass interaction source, indication nil, roll switch, and on click on state. On click we call our on state change lambda that is passed here with opposite state of the one that we got here. And padding is just for 30 to end, 30 to right, and a little bit up, but that's something that you can change and use it whatever you need inside your project. I centered vertical this row, and horizontal arrangement space between, so occupy maximum space between these two views. You can also use something else. That's just design pattern. Inside this row, so this row consists of two views, text and switch. For our text, again, it is just important that you pass the label. For color, font size, text style, font weight, that's all up to you, whatever you want to get from this text, how should it look like. And for switch, we need to pass, for check state, we need to pass our state. On check change, we need to call on state change with it boolean that you get here. And also for colors, that is just purely design. In my case, I used whether it's checked or unchecked, I used white color for thumb, and for track color I used red when it's checked, and this is some sort of gray color for unchecked. As you can see here, unchecked is just gray track. And basically that's it. That's the whole function. And you can just copy paste this function and set it somewhere inside project, and you can use it in any view that you need it, and it works perfectly. That's it for this quick video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about Android development, and see you in the next video.